Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use DocuSign, the easiest way to sign, send, and manage documents online. Whether you are signing a contract, onboarding a new client, or sending legal paperwork, DocuSign makes it fast and secure. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what is DocuSign. DocuSign is an electronic signature tool that lets you sign and send documents online legally and securely. It's used by millions for real estate, business, HR, freelancing, and more. The signatures are legally binding in most countries and fully compliant with regulations like e-IDIAS and e-sign. Now go to docusign.com and click try for free or enter just your email here, then click get started. You can start with a free trial or log in. If you already have an account, just enter your email here. Now follow the process. Enter your first and last name, phone number. I will use the temporary phone number from tempnumber.com. Copy the phone number and paste it here. Now click uh, next. Now you will land on your dashboard, which is your control center to create, send, track, and store all your signed documents. To get started, DocuSign dashboard. It's look like that. To get started, click Start and send an envelope. Think of an envelope as your package of documents you want signed. Click Upload to add your PDF, Word document, or form. You can you can even pull from Google Drive or Dropbox. Once your document is uploaded, click Next. To move to the recipient setup, now add the name and email of the person you want to sign the document. You can add multiple recipients and set the signing order. You can also add a message like, "Hi, Sarah, please review and sign this contract by Friday." Click Next again to place your signature. Fields. Click Next again to place your signature fields. Here's the fun part. Drag and drop the fields where signatures, initials, dates, or names should go. You can assign each field to a specific recipient. DocuSign color codes each signer to keep it clear. Once everything looks good, click Send. The recipient will get an email to review and sign the document. Let's switch roles. Say you are the one receiving a document to sign. Open the email and click Review Document. You will be guided to each field you need to fill in. To sign in, just click the box and either draw type, or use a saved signature. When finished, hit finish and that's it. Back to login, then enter your email, then click next, enter password or go back to again, then click sign up for free, enter your email address here again, then check the box, then click get started. You can set your country name from here. Back in your dashboard, you will see the status of your envelopes, whether they're signed, pending, or completed. You can resend, void, or download signed copies at any time. All signed file all signed files are stored securely in the cloud. Here's your overview. Status. Document status like sent, delivered, etc. And that's how easy it is to use DocuSign in 2025. It saves time, paper, and headaches. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on templates, bulk sending, or integrations. And that's it. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again.